Want to make your images in Google Slides really stand out? Adding a border is one of the simplest ways to do it, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. First, open your Google Slides presentation and select the image you want to customize. Once it's highlighted, look up at the toolbar at the top. You'll see three key icons: border color, border weight, and border dash. Click on border color to choose the color that best matches your design. You can pick from the default palette or even add a custom color for a unique touch. Next, adjust the border weight, which controls the thickness of your border. A thicker border can make your image pop, while a thinner one keeps it subtle. Finally, explore the border dash option. Here you can switch between a solid line, dash, or dotted style, giving you even more creative control. Combine these three tools and you can completely transform how your image looks on the slide. Adding borders not only enhances your slides visually, but also helps your content stand out, making your presentations look polished and professional. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make every image in your Google Slides presentation look sharper and more eye-catching. Try it out on your next slide and see the difference it makes.